A very happy morning to all of you. Today is day 8 of our remedial class, and today our topic is degrees of comparison. Dear students, you have already studied about adjectives, and now we will do degrees of comparison. Here are some sentences I have. So let's check these sentences. First is Rohit is better than Ravi. So what is adjective in this sentence? Better. This is adjective. Next is Ajay is the best speaker in my class. What is adjective? Best. Millie is taller than Reena. Which word is adjective? Taller. David is the shortest boy in our class. Which word shows the quality of David? Shortest. Soha is a beautiful girl, but Megha is more beautiful than Soha. So which words show the qualities of Soha and Megha? Beautiful here, more beautiful here. Computer lab is the biggest room in our school. So here adjective is biggest. So these are forms of adjectives you can see here. Better, the original word is good. Good, better, best. Original word is tall, so here we use taller. So these forms we use to compare things, compare nouns. Just look at these three things. This is a big apple. This is a big apple. Big is showing the quality of apple, that apple is big. Now here we compare it to papaya. Papaya is bigger than the apple. You can see papaya is bigger than the apple. So here we use this form of adjective, bigger than the apple. And now as you can see, this is watermelon. So watermelon is the biggest fruit. Among these fruits, the watermelon is biggest. So watermelon is the biggest fruit. So we have used this form of adjective, big. So here the definition of degrees of comparison. We can use adjectives to compare objects, animals, people and ideas. And we can say one word, nouns. We can use adjectives to compare nouns. These are called degrees of comparison. Examples: the elephant is the largest land animal. Rosie is smarter than Chanchal. So we here compare these two nouns, Rosie and Chanchal, with the word smarter. So this is degree of comparison of adjectives, form of adjectives. Today is hotter than yesterday. Here we compare today with yesterday. There are three degrees of comparison here. First is positive degree, second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. Yes, first of all, take these two sentences. Tom is a tall boy. So, which word tells the quality of Tom? Tall. Second, India is a big country. Here, adjective is big. So, when we use adjective to describe just one object, person, idea, etc., we call this the positive degree. Yes, here this is the positive degree. There is no comparison, and adjective is used in its basic form, means this adjective is used here in basic form. This is original form. Some more examples: Mayank is a wise boy. She is a kind lady. Yes, here we have some other uses of positive degree. More comparisons with the positive form of adjective words. First is degree of equality. When the quality of two things is equal. The brown cat is as beautiful as the grey cat. It means the brown cat and the grey cat are similarly beautiful. So then we use the positive form of adjective, the original form. Mohan is as strong as his brother, means Mohan and his brother are equally strong. There is no difference. So we use the positive degree. Next use is degree of inequality. When two things are unequal. The brown cat is not so beautiful as the black cat. Here the brown cat and the black cat are not similarly equally beautiful. Here Mohan is not as strong as his father. Here Mohan and his father are not equally strong. His father is more strong. Mohan is not so strong. So we use these words to use this positive degree here, not as. Yes, here are some sentences. Tom is better than his sister. Rohan is kinder than Ajay. Priya is more beautiful than Sonia. In these sentences, you can see we compare two nouns. In first sentence, we compare Tom is better than his sister. Tom and his sister. We compare Tom to his sister. Tom is better than his sister. Rohan, here Rohan is compared to Ajay, is kinder. Kinder is the adjective. Priya is more beautiful than Sonia. So Priya is here compared to Sonia and she is more beautiful. So this is called degree of comparative degree. And the definition is when the adjective is used to compare two nouns, it is in comparative degree. More examples: noble, nobler, able, abler, wise, wiser, big, bigger. And it is followed by than. Means every time you see that after this degree, here comes than. Here are some more uses of comparative degree, more comparison with the comparative form of an adjective. So first is parallel degree. When qualities of two items in the sentence go parallel, means when one quality increases, the other quality is increases. When one quality decreases, the other quality decreases. The bigger the box, the heavier it is. Man means when it gets bigger, it gets heavier. So these two qualities are increasing. The more you study, the more you gain. So this is parallel degree. Second is progressive degree. When the quality of a thing increases as the time passes, means quality increases with time. So you can see here a temperature chart and you can see the temperature is increased day by day. So we can say it's getting hotter and hotter day by day. We can make another sentence that the patient is getting better and better day by day. And here is an exception of this degree. These words superior, inferior, senior and junior, these are followed by to, junior to, superior to, inferior to, not by than. Now this is our third degree, superlative degree. See these sentences. Sagar is the wisest boy in the class. So here the adjective is wisest. Pari is the tallest girl in the class. Here is the adjective tallest. And you can see in this picture, this ball is big. This is bigger than this. And this ball is the biggest. So you would understand that what is the superlative degree. When a comparison is made among more than two nouns, the adjective is in superlative degree. It is super to all, and the comes before this degree. it is preceded by the every time. Now we will see the formation of comparative and superlative degree. So there are some rules for this. I will tell you some important main rules. First rule is most of adjectives follow this rule, like this is positive degree, comparative and superlative. So we can add er to make comparative degree, and we can add est to make superlative degree. Kind, kinder, kindest. We have added this. Most of adjectives are like this. So this is the first rule. Second rule is for those adjectives which ending in e. Yes, these words are ending in e. So then we use only r to make comparative degree, and we add only st to make superlative degree. This is rule 3. This is for one syllable adjective which ends in consonant, means ends in consonant, and having a vowel before it, means before the consonant here is a vowel. So these type of adjectives, in these type of adjectives, changes are like this: red, redder, reddest. Means the consonant becomes double, and we add er, and here we add est, and the consonant become double. Rule number 4 is for adjectives ending in y, like happy, easy, these are ending in y. So we remove this y and I, replace it with I, like this. And as it is, we add er for comparative and est for superlative, and we remove y and replace it with I. There is an exception in this, when there is a vowel before y, like this. Here is vowel before y, so we can make comparative and superlative like er, adding er and est. Yes, this is rule 6, when adjective is of 2 or more than 2 syllables. So what is syllable? Syllable means a unit of word, like put. Yes, this is one syllable word which have a vowel, because without vowel we can't make a word. So see this sentence: picnic. So this is 2 syllable word, picnic. So syllable is a short unit of a word. So when adjective is of 2 or more than 2 syllables, then we use more for comparative degree and most for superlative degree. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Pleasant, more pleasant, most pleasant. In simple words, we can say for long words we can use this rule. And now rule number 7, some words change its form in comparative and superlative degree, like good, better. It changes completely. Best, late, later, latest. Old, older, oldest. Elder and eldest also. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Far, farther, farthest. Bad, worse, worst. Up, upper, upmost, or uppermost. Out, outer, utmost, or uttermost. So these are degrees of comparison. This is practice time. Find 10 to 15 adjectives of quality from your book and make sentences using all 3 degrees. Like I have taken the word long and I have framed these 3 sentences. This is a long scale positive, comparative, the stick is longer than the scale, and superlative, the bamboo is the longest among these three. So you have to do this activity.